Bonjour my lovelies. In today's edition of the Paris Weekly, I'm going to show you what you should see, do, and eat during a morning in the 5th arrondissement. And this particular morning had quite a few interesting moments. So, with that said, let's get going. For today, we're going to start our morning at Arenes Lutece. It is an old Roman amphitheater located in the 5th arrondissement. I don't know if the video can really capture the full scale of this place. After taking some time to enjoy the space, head out through the other side and walk down Rue Mouffetard to Place Monge and turn right onto Place Monge. Continue walking down Place Monge and turn right onto Rue Mouffetard. This street is full of amazing places to eat, vintage shops, concept stores, gift shops, stunning artwork, and so much more. Walk through this street slowly. Grab a bite to eat from one of the crepe places or a little ice cream. If you want to eat at a cafe, eat here, as there will only be a few more places I recommend you stop for food along the way. Going to want to continue walking until you reach Place de la Contrescarpe, and once you're there, after enjoying the fountain a bit, turn left onto Rue Blandeville and just keep walking straight. Now, this next spot will be familiar to anyone who has watched Emily in Paris, but I'm not suggesting you go here just so you can feel like a 20-something-year-old in unwalkable stilettos on cobblestone. No. By this point, it will be time for a coffee, and you will want to go to Café de la Nouvelle Mairie for that. This place has delicious coffee, and everyone is super nice. After finishing your coffee at Café de la Nouvelle Mairie, turn a quick right onto Rue Clotaire, and in just a hop, skip, and a jump, you'll find yourself right in front of the Pantheon. There was a huge protest going on this particular morning, so I could not film a lot of the street, as it's actually illegal to film police officers in France. Once you've had a chance to stop in, see, and visit the Pantheon, turn left down Rue Soufflot on the right side of the street. You will pass a lot of very busy cafes and also quite a lot of shops. Personally, I wouldn't suggest you stop at most of these cafes, as they are all very touristy. Once you reach the bottom of the hill, keep towards your right and prepare to cross the street. On this particular morning, a cab driver had hit a biker. Once you cross the street, make sure to grab a little treat at Ladurée. This is a new location, and of course, Ladurée macarons and Eugenie's are delicious. But you're gonna want this little treat when you go to Jardin du Luxembourg. There are a lot of cafes along the street that have great food. One of my favorites is Tres, an American-owned restaurant, but that's not where we're going just yet. Take your little Ladurée treats to go and head on into Jardin du Luxembourg. Even though it was freezing this particular morning, the sun was shining and there were a lot of people enjoying the gardens. Make sure to stop by the Fountain Medici across from the Senate. The Senate is only open one day a year to the public, and I actually managed to get inside on that day last year. If you want to see what it looks like inside, make sure to watch the video that I have linked at the end, because yes, it's amazing. Napoleon's throne is in there.
Be careful, okay, please.
Hey, I want to put some over.
Now, I won't take you around this whole garden as it is enormous, but I do hope you've enjoyed getting to see some parts of it today. Once you've had your time in the garden, head back out the way you came in and walk towards the Pantheon again. Right behind the Pantheon, you'll see the beautiful church named Sainte Genevieve. It is absolutely stunning on the inside, and I strongly recommend you go in and enjoy just a little bit of this absolutely beautiful architecture. And with that said, there you have it, your morning walk around the 5th arrondissement. Everything that you should make sure that you see, and more than one suggestion as to great places you can eat along your walk. Now, if you're taking this walk in the morning, like I suggested, you'll notice that a lot of the restaurants and cafes are closed, or there aren't that many people sitting at them. That's because in France, breakfast is generally consumed at home. As a result, don't expect to sit down at a cafe for a huge breakfast. Instead, eat your breakfast at your hotel and then head out for a glass of coffee and a little bit of catwalk. And with all of that said, I hope that you have enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and please let me know if you have any thoughts in the comments. Bye!